welcome back. Today I am reviewing the Slutbox for December. Let's see what kind of goodies we got. As a reminder, this will be my final Slutbox unless I get more comments saying that you want to see what's coming in the box. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try and pull everything out without making a mess. Yeah, right, like that's going to happen. Okay. I smell something in here. I can't figure out what I'm smelling, but I smell something in there. I don't want to see comments saying that I'm a bloodhound. I already get that enough. Alright, let's see. Oh! It's Christmas time. I'm trying to figure out what I'm smelling. It's going to drive me crazy. We are going to pull all this out. And then I'm going to figure out what I got and what I'm smelling. Put this off to the side. Told you I was going to make a mess. Mom will play with it later. Alright, let's see what we got. Nail Fix and Chill. Nail Polish Eraser Cream. Ooh, I need this too. As my niece would say, my nails look awful. Alright, what's in here? Got everything out? I actually like that. It's a simple just brown paper bag. Different for packaging. Whoop whoop! Alright, let's see what it is. Nail Fix and Chill Nail Polish Eraser Cream. Is this what I'm smelling? No, it doesn't have a smell to it. So use Nail Fix and Chill on any regular nail polish. Does not work on shellac or gel nails. Apply thick layer of the cream on your nail plate. Do not, or it says don't make it penetrate. Oh, I guess where you still have kind of like a layer to it. Leave the cream to effect on your nails 1 minute for every nail polish layer. Well, then I might leave this on for a couple of days, as many coats as I put on my nail polish. Let's see, 3 minutes if you're using a base and top coat system. Relax and chill. First massage, then remove the cream and nail polish with a dry cotton ball pad or tissue. You're all set. Wash your hands and after use. Y'all want to see a review of this one just by itself? Let me know. That sounds interesting. Alrighty then. Okay, this is what I'm smelling, but I'm just kind of confused why I just got a piece of wood. Alright, let's see. Bang Bang. Got some new lipstick. I've actually been expanding my lip collection. And that's actually, well, no, I guess due to the Slutbox, and then I got some more. Oh, I'm not sure if I can pull this color off. Bright orange. I might do it in another video. We'll see. So if you see this color up, you know where I got it from. Alright, we got that out. Some more lubricant. Water silicone blended lubricant. Let me see if that has a smell to it. No, no smell. I don't know why I like smelling things. Probably because it's so easy. Alright. Ooh, what is this?
Satisfier Pro Penguin. I think it may be your first toy.
Finally got one!
I think. Watch it be something else, knowing me.
Knowing my luck. Let's see the instructions first. I don't know why I'm looking through this like I'm actually going to use it. I just want to see if there's any actual clear definition of what this is. Press one button. Yeah, looks like I got... This is actually pretty cute! A little penguin! That's cute. This is weird looking though. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this sucker up. This is a different charger too. Look at this. You just set, oh, it's a magnet. Set to fire. He's so cute! Okay, I'm just amused by it. I don't care what it is, it's just cute. Little penguin style. Got a little bow tie and everything. That's cute. I'm excited about that, just because it's cute. So finally got a toy. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, some new eyeshadow. Ooh, I got a little kit. Look at this. So now I can do some smoky eyes or give myself a black eye. You know how that works, ladies. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. You put a little bit too much and then it falls and then you look like you got a black eye instead of the smoky look. Or you just woke up and you slept in your makeup. Alrighty then, I think that might be everything in the box. Let's see. Hey. This isn't for you, mister. You're late for the video. What happened? So nosy. Let's see what else we got. Make sure we got everything. Look at Amber looking all cute. Let's see. So we got the penguin, the Pro Penguin. We got that. Oh, see, I would have liked some other color. Oh, I like the purple. So they come with different colors of lipstick. I like the purple one. Although I'm not sure. How would I look with purple lipstick? I'm gonna wait to find out, right? Might need to go to hit up Amazon and get a couple. Okay, so this right here is actually a wood incense. Bad vibes be gone. Banish any funky energy, clinging exes, DM lurkers, or deadbeat roommates with a stick of Palo Santo wood incense from Third Eye Wood. Palo Santo wood incense is the perfect tool for smudging or energy cleaning rituals. Known as the wood of the saints, Palo Santo, probably butchering that, has been used for centuries to dispel negative energy and draw in major blessings. Palo Santo facilitates the oxygenate. I'm gonna sound this one out. Oxygenate. Why can't I say that? Oxygenation. There it goes. Oxygenation. I'm gonna have the word right here so y'all know the word I'm looking for that I'm trying to spell. Trying to pronounce. Oxygenate of brain cells, which gives you an emotional uplift and a boost of mental clarity. Plus, it even repels unwanted insects and pests. Last night's hookup included. And it's amazing aromatherapy. This will be good for the new year. Get all that negative energy starting the new year. Alrighty then. So let's see. I'm going to read my horoscope. Happy birthday, December Caps. Go me! And the first week of the month, why can I read? Why can I not read or speak, apparently? Benevolent expanse in Jupiter transits the heart of your 10th house of career. Picking up great support from the Sun and Neptune, creative opportunities are abundant. If you have artistic or healing talents, this is a great time to expand them or consider turning them into a career. Whatever your career dreams and aspirations might be, don't put any limits on them. Don't put limits on them not. That's weirdly phrased. Don't put any limits on them not. I'm really reading it word for word too, so if it seems like I can't speak this time, it's actually written. All right, just allow them to percolate and let the magic manifest. Saturn's retrograde transit to your 7th house puts relationship rebuilding in the spotlight through March. Expect to get some perspective on all this around the 27th. Interesting. Wonder what's going to happen. I'm already working on my dream career right here. And I appreciate all of y'all's support, by the way. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and put up the other horoscopes. So if you want to know what yours is, you can read it up there. Rewind it, fast forward it, pause it, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. In the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.